Buongiorno from Palermo. Another beautiful day here. So I just bought me a brioche. This is brioche with gelato. I got tiramisu flavored. This is kind of like I guess it's almost like a croissant on the outside and gelato on the inside. It's a nice little snack, especially when it's hot out. It's a little bit cooler today. It's probably only get up to 78 as opposed to 90 the other day. But this is very popular in Sicily. These little brioches with gelato. You can get, of course, any flavor you want of gelato. And I'm here on Via Vittorio Emanuele. We're actually now at Corso Calatafimi. And if you look up this way to the end, there is a little town called Monreale that's famous for their bread. There's also a cathedral which has some beautiful interior mosaics. I think it was built back in the 1200s. I'm gonna scan around here on Corso Calatafimi, and then this is a very touristic area here. There's a bar over here on the right serving some food, street food. Straight ahead is the, can't get out in the traffic too much, otherwise I'll get hit from behind, but it's called the Porta Nuova. I don't know if you can see it, but it's one of the main entrances to the new city. Back in the medieval days when they built it. Porta Nuova means new door, so it was a new door into the city. And back there behind is another cathedral, which is beautiful on the outside, renowned for its outside beauty of Norman architecture, as opposed to the one behind, going up to Monreale, is famous for the interior mosaics. Here I'm going to pan around a little bit more. Here's a little park over here. A beautiful day in Palermo. So I hope everyone is doing well. Ciao, ciao.